Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to easily communicate between PLCs using Kepware EX OPC together with Kepware Linkmaster. I have added 3 PLCs to my Kepware EX OPC connection. One S7-1200 from Siemens, one M221 from Schneider, and one FX3U from Mitsubishi. If you want to know how to set them up to Kepware EX, I will leave a link in the description below to my other tutorials. To my Siemens PLC I added a blue and red push button, and some simple code in TIA portal that trigger a bit tag to my OPC connection when I press them. In Machine Expert Basic I added the tags from my OPC server as inputs that will turn on an output on the PLC. And in GXWorks 2 I done the same. What I want to achieve is that once I press my red button from the Siemens PLC it should send a signal via the server to the Schneider PLC. And once I press my blue button it should do same but to my Mitsubishi PLC. In Linkmaster we want to open up the local machine tab. Then we right-click on our Kepware EX server and click on Connect Configuration for Item Browsing. This will connect our Kepware server to the Linkmaster. We then want to add a new link group. To do so we right-click and add New Link Group. We can give our link group a name. If we open up our Kepware server we can find our 3 PLC connected to it. If I open up the Siemens map we can see both our tags from the buttons are there. If I now open up the Mitsubishi PLC map we will see the tags from the OPC server there too. Now to link them together we simply drag one tag and place it on the tag we want to connect it to. It will create a link for us. If we open up the properties we can see that on the input our Siemens tag is connected. And on the output the Mitsubishi tag is connected. I will do the same on my second tag but to my Schneider PLC. Now that our link connection is done I am gonna test out the connection. As you can see when I press my button it will send a signal to my Schneider PLC and it turns on its output. I will test out the same on my Mitsubishi PLC. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.